What do you want? A cookie? Did you already have a cookie? Yeah? Are you 15 months old today?
Cookie.
A cookie? Can you say mommy?
Cookie.
Cookie. That's your favorite word? Can you say mommy?
Cookie.
What about mama?
Mama.
Dada?
Dada.
What about brother?
Baba.
Baba. Can you say princess?
Sure.
Can you say ballerina?
Happy birthday,
Ballerina. Can you say happy birthday? You say pop pop? You say baba? Happy birthday? Can you say Gabby?
Daddy.
Can you say Gael?
Daddy.
Gagu. Can you say Baba?
Blah, 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 blah. Ah.
Can you say Doggy?
Daddy.
Can you say Cookie?
Daddy, mommy.
Can you say Bubbles?
Bubbles.
And Agua? How about your ABCs? Sing your ABCs. Uh-oh. Can you sing your ABCs? That is good. Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Da un beso. Your baby's dirty? Are you clean? You're dirty too. Well, how about a bath? Say bye-bye.